Yeah, I seen the comments, to be fair, late last night and excuse me, and this morning. I think it's wrong, and certainly in our perspective, it's unacceptable. Really, it's and it'll be dealt with internally. So there's no issues there. But as I said, he got booked for it at the time, which was right, and I think I said at the time there's no explanation for it really. So, but no, it's not something that we advocate here. This is a club that there's nobody bigger than the club and the club's image, and our ethics are correct. So, so for us, it's an internal thing that I've spoken with Lou, and we move on.
What's been Lou's reaction to that?
No, totally understanding and knows where I'm coming from as the manager of the club, because this is a big club which is bigger than anyone, like I say, and whatever people do say, it is always out there and goes around the world, and what was said, like I said, was wrong, and it's not acceptable from our perspective. So he takes that and we move on.